Drivers who kill others after speeding, racing, or using a phone could receive life sentences under the new legislation. Those who cause death by careless driving under the influence of drink or drugs could also get a life sentence. Currently, without that specific offense, drivers who cause injuries under such circumstances can only be convicted of careless driving, which has the maximum penalty of a fine. So in this video, we are going to tell you about top 5 drunk driver killers reacting to life sentence. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. Amber Pereira. Amber Pereira was convicted of DUI manslaughter and leaving a death scene. She told her family in a call from jail that her life was ruined. Hillsborough Circuit Judge Christopher Sabella said she also ruined a lot of other lives and ended 3 others. The 2017 crash killed 29-year-old Rita Felipak, 41-year-old Louis Felipak, and their 8-year-old daughter Georgia. Investigators say Pereira struck the back of Felipak's car, causing it to cross the median and into westbound traffic. It then was struck by 2 other vehicles and burst into flames. Police say Pereira attempted to leave the scene but was caught a short time later. The Tampa Bay Times reported that prosecutors asked for a life sentence during an emotional hearing on Friday. Pereira's attorney asked for 20 years, followed by probation, citing her lack of a criminal record. Number 4. Olivia Careless. A woman accused of driving under the influence and killing 6 people, including her sister, in a wrong-way crash on a Southern California freeway was convicted of drunken driving when she was 17 years old, according to California Department of Vehicles records. Olivia Careless Culbreth, 21, is accused of driving a red Chevrolet Camaro head-on into a Ford Explorer at more than 100 miles per hour the morning of February 9, investigators said. She was heading east on the westbound side of the Pomona 60 freeway in Diamond Bar. Culbreth's blood alcohol content was measured at 15% about 3 hours after the crash, prosecutors said. According to evidence presented at a preliminary hearing, Culbreth had previously been arrested for DUI, resulting in a collision. She was warned by the court about the dangers of driving under the influence of alcohol and also was admonished that such future conduct could result in murder charges. Number 3. Charlessia Pelt. A woman accused of driving drunk in a wrong-way crash on 7 Mile Road that killed her 3-year-old son and injured 2 other children in Detroit was arraigned Sunday. Charlessia Pelt is charged with reckless driving causing death, 3 counts of second-degree child abuse, and 3 counts of operating while intoxicated occupant. Video of the incident shows the 27-year-old woman's minivan speeding in the wrong direction before crashing, police said. Witness Judy Carter added to the memorial and said her heart is breaking for Michael. "We can always ride past here and remember him," Carter said. Police said the video shows Michael's mother speeding up 7 Mile Road into oncoming traffic Thursday evening, right past a Detroit police officer. Witnesses said she was on her cell phone, according to authorities. Number 2. Michelle Lake. A woman who previously served a prison sentence for a drunk driving crash that killed a man was sentenced to 10 years in prison for another crash she caused while driving high. Judge Patrick Dinklacker sentenced 35-year-old Michelle Lake for 1 count each of vehicular assault and aggravated vehicular assault during an emotional hearing that included testimony from Lake, the father of her child, and one of the victims. Lake was driving north on Lakefield Avenue in Westwood at about 9:32 a.m. on December 6, 2018, when she went left of center and hit an oncoming vehicle, seriously injuring the driver and a front seat passenger. Justice Secretary Robert Buckland, also the Lord Chancellor, said, "This government has been clear that punishments must fit the crime, but too often families tell us this isn't the case with killer drivers." 1. George Solis. A Georgia man was sentenced to serve 50 years in prison for killing 3 people and seriously injuring 2 more in a drunken driving incident. George Solis, 20, of Ellenwood, was already on probation for a previous DUI conviction when he drove his Ford F-350 north in the southbound lanes of I-75, colliding head-on with a car on its way to Florida from Illinois. The accident at 5 a.m. on Father's Day killed Hallie Young, 7, Cabron Osborne, 8, and Michael Furlow, 49. 3-year-old Clayton Flood was paralyzed and 49-year-old Michael Osborne was severely injured. Solis was uninjured, with a blood alcohol level of 125, Atlanta Fulton County District Attorney Paul L. Howard said in a statement. Solis was so drunk that when police arrived he was passed out while leaning on the expressway median, Howard said. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe